Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Four-footed creatures can cause more damage than insects in many gardens. They can ruin your garden or landscape overnight, eating anything from broccoli to ferns. Perhaps one of the most frustrating critters to deal with is deer, because they have a taste for a wide variety of plants. The frustration has generated a large menagerie of commercial repellents and barriers. Let's see. You can buy bars of soap in bulk and hang them from strings and trees. Some gardeners swear that human hair keeps deer away. You can also experiment with homemade repellents by mixing blood meal, bone meal, coyote urine, hot sauce, or garlic oil and water. Leaving those recipes behind, there is always the fence. Electric fencing is the most effective way to keep deer out, but it's not always practical for the home gardener. Conventional fences should be at least 8 feet tall, and in some cases, a second 3-foot inner fence creates a double obstacle that confuses deer. One type of fencing that's inexpensive, easy to install, and blocks out deer without blocking your view is black polypropylene netting. The netting comes on a roll, is 8 feet tall, and has a 3-inch mesh. You can stretch the netting quite a distance. Use wood or metal fence posts to support it, and you'll need to tack the fence to the ground every 12 feet or so with stakes to keep deer from pushing the fence up and crawling underneath it. The best thing about the netting is because of the dark color, you barely notice it. But the deer do. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.